Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a GoPro clamp mount for under $2. It's super easy to do and these things work great. The first thing you're going to need to pick up is a spring clamp from a hardware store. Most hardware stores carry them for about 99 cents. If you don't have a GoPro tripod mount, you need to pick one of those up. They're 76 cents on eBay currently. Really cheap for that one. You're also going to need to pick up a bolt at the hardware store. This is a 1/4 inch bolt by 1/2 inch long and a washer or two. It's going to cost you about 15 to 20 cents. I used a 19 by 64 inch drill bit, and you're going to need a drill as well. So let's get started. Take your spring clamp and tighten it up in a vise or in some kind of holder. If you don't have one, you can hold it by hand, just be really careful. And you're going to take your drill bit and drill a hole about a 1/2 inch in from the end of the handle. So let's go ahead and assemble the unit. Grab the spring clamp and put the bolt through from the back side of the handle. Then you're going to put a washer on the bolt. This is purely for spacing for the tripod mount so the bolt doesn't go too far into it. You may need 1 or 2 of them there. Tighten up the tripod mount against the washer. I found that the rubber on the handle holds the bolt, so I was able to get it quite tight just by hand. And there you have it, your spring mount clamp is complete. There is also another option. You can drill a hole at the other end and mount the tripod mount down there for a more versatile clamp. These GoPro mounts work great for mounting your GoPro in a tree, filming under the hood, or even yourself while you're driving. They're very versatile and cheap to make. So I hope this helps you out. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for future upcoming videos. Thanks again.